In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Manychat on your Facebook page in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to chat marketing or looking to enhance your customer engagement, setting up Manychat is a fantastic way to automate interactions on your Facebook page. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Manychat website. Simply open your browser and go to Manychat's sign in page. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on that, and if you already have an account, go ahead and enter your credentials. If you're new to Manychat, you'll need to sign up and create an account, which is a straightforward process. After logging in, you'll land on the Manychat homepage. This is your dashboard where you can access all the tools and features Manychat offers. From here, navigate to the Home tab. It's usually visible on the main toolbar, giving you access to your main interface where you'll set up and manage your automated responses. Now, it's time to focus on connecting Manychat to your Facebook page. To do this, click on the Channels option from the menu. Channels are the different platforms and pages you can connect to Manychat. In our case, we're interested in linking Messenger, which will allow you to automate responses directly on your Facebook page's chat. Once you've clicked on Channels, you'll see an option for Messenger. Go ahead and click on it. This is a crucial step because Messenger is the tool that interacts with your Facebook audience through Manychat. Now the big moment, connecting your Facebook page. Manychat will prompt you to authorize the connection. This is a simple process that involves granting permission for Manychat to integrate with your Facebook page. Ensure that you are logged into Facebook with the account that is an admin of the page you want to connect. Once you've successfully connected the page, Manychat will be able to access it and automate your Messenger interactions. With your page connected, you'll have full access to create and customize automated responses, sequences, and even interactive experiences for your audience. Manychat offers a range of templates and design tools to help you create engaging interactions that can boost engagement significantly. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully set up Manychat on your Facebook page. From here, you can start exploring all the features and begin automating conversations with your audience. So take a moment, plan your messaging strategy, and let Manychat transform how you interact with your community on Facebook. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your digital interactions.